Good day, everyone. As the Cannes Film Festival buzzes with activity and excitement, there are a lot of conferences happening all around us. Today, we will explore the conference Switzerland Country of Honor, reviving the classics, focusing on how Switzerland is restoring and releasing timeless films for a global audience. Join us as we uncover the stories and efforts behind preserving Switzerland's cinematic heritage. This session, presented by Locarno Films, featured key figures who are shaping the narrative of Swiss cinema. Gianna A. Nazzaro, artistic director of the Locarno Film Festival, Marcus Dafna, head of Locarno Pro, Frédéric Maire, director of Cinémathèque Suisse, and Vincent Paul Puncourt, CEO of Carlotta Films. For decades, the Locarno Film Festival has been a beacon of cinematic brilliance. During the conference, they highlighted how different film festivals play a crucial role in rediscovering old movies. They emphasized the exciting opportunities these events create for filmmakers and distributors to connect on a global scale. This effort ensures that all the beloved films are preserved and shared worldwide, and ensures that their timeless spirit lives on for years to come. They discussed the exciting realm of Swiss film restoration and explored how these beloved classics make the leap from old-school films to sleek digital formats. It is not just about preserving movies, it is about keeping the creative visions of their favorite Swiss filmmakers alive for future generations. They talked about the teamwork behind the scenes, both locally in Switzerland and across the globe, showing how everyone pitches in to save and share these cinematic treasures with the world. Lastly, to talk about the moderators, who included Miriam Wickenkamp, a seasoned publicist from Noise Film and TV. With her skilled mediation, she ensured that the discussion was engaging, insightful, and smoothly guided. She ensured a dynamic exchange among the panelists and the audience. And with that, we wrap up our exploration into Swiss cinema's restoration's journey. Today's discussion highlighted the teamwork and love for film that keeps these timeless stories alive. Let's continue celebrating and enjoying these cinematic gems together. So stay tuned as we continue to bring you the pulse of Cannes.